Come now and let's have a conversation. I think this is one of the beautiful airdrop project that I actually share with my community in 2025. If you are actually in my community, you know that I share this particular project early, and you could see the project have been doing very great, and currently the total amount I have now worth 675,499. A lot of people would think it is an audio money, and that is the major reason why I'm creating this particular video. A lot of things that many people do not understand. I will have actually used my particular account where I actually stake this Sactum to explain, but that particular account cannot I cannot make video with it, but with this one I'll still be able to explain everything you need to do. And also because the price now has actually gone high, but I'll still try as much as possible for my community's sake to still create another video for those who want to deposit. But with this one that I'm about to share with you in this particular video, you will still be able to do it if you're able to follow me in total with what I will be sharing with you. And remember, I said it, I'll be sharing a particular ebook to when my YouTube channel crossed 1,000. We have actually crossed 1,000. Just comment crypto 101 and I'll be sending you the link to that particular ebook, because that ebook will take you from a novice to a pro level concerning everything that has to do with crypto, airdrop, everything you need to know. So let's go down to it now. I start talking about this project. You could see now that active token now is around 1.9, almost $2. Very soon now it will clock $2. And one thing I've been saying is that token now, it has never dipped. It has been going up since the time they came into it was listed. It has been going up, and it was due to the pattern of strategy that they deploy. I think by then, when everyone register, we are giving, I think, $500 what which was Sactum. And then later on they came along with this one called ATU, meaning for you to unlock this one called this ATU, you have to stake this one ATU. Then the amount you stake will depend on what you be getting out of it for you to be giving this particular one. I will explain everything, because if you then I think this particular ATU token was around 0.3 cent, and I did my calculation. I will drop in those videos in the description of this particular video, because I think for it to get started then it was around $18. But now, because it was stated in it that it has to be $50 of 50 ATU token that you should start with, and that one after 50 ATU token at 0.3 then what $18. But if you want to stake that 50 now at this particular price, let me take you to my calculator and see what you actually be using to start this particular investment. So let's calculate. Currently the price is 1.9 multiplied by 50. You see, that is why taking action immediately is very good. What you should have started with $18. Currently, you will be starting with what $95 now. And one beautiful thing about it is that if you have started with $18, you will have made a cool amount of money and start withdrawing your this actual to USDT or any crypto of your choice. So if you still want to start, let me show you how you'll be starting. The first one is that you can either deposit USDT or Tron into your wallet. And how you can do it is that you come to this particular section, this interface, you tap on receive. This is your Tron address. You could just copy this Tron address, take it to any of the centralized wallet like Binance, Bybit, KuCoin, Gate.io, and just send Tron to it. And if it is still USDT you want to send, it's still the same thing. You just come to your USDT here, tap on it, tap on receive, just copy this address, not meaning you send Tron, just send USDT, it will reflect. Then after it has reflected here, what you need to do is for you to come to this particular section called ATS. That is where we'll be staking it. When you come to this particular place called ATS, you could see it here now. You could see it say ATU. You see it say minimum from 50 to I think 1 million. So you will tap on join, then you'll be earning 30% of your staking every month. So you tap on it. So you put a number of Tron or USDT you have will be showing here. Then you just tap on max, or if you have any amount, you just tap on it. Let's say for example 100, you just tap it. Because I'm not having, but I'll still try to make a video. Then after you have done it, it will show the number of ATU you get. Then you tap on join. That is just it. Every month you'll be getting a percentage of money. And also you can stay investing in Tron for you to have multiple sources of income and USDC after you have used one. But this one has the highest rating, yes. And also you can come to this particular place. So this particular section is where you can actually convert your USDT or Tron into active token. So you can come to this C2C, or you can use this Express. When you go to Express, you could see this is USDT. You put the amount of USDT, then you confirm exchange. It will give you active token that you can actually use to stake here. And if you want to sell, it is still on this C2C. Maybe you have active token, you could just create your order here, either buy or you want to sell. Like for example, if you want to sell, you just tap on this sell. Let's say you have, because the active that you are getting will be giving you USDT. You could just put your amount of active that you have here, you put it here, then it will convert into USDT for you. It will convert to USDT for you. Then you tap on confirm. Then you'll be having your USDT. Then the USDT that you get, you can now transfer it to any of your exchange. If maybe you want to transfer it to your Binance, KuCoin, or anything, you just come to this transfer section here. You tap on transfer. Then you just tap on, this particular active now is not listed on any exchange there, but Tron that you have converted into and USD that you have converted into is less on other exchange. Then you just pick any one of your choice. Let's go for USDT. Then when you are in this particular section, this is USDT, which is on track 20 USDT. Then you put your receiving address. You go to your decentralized exchange, copy your USDT address, then you put the amount there. After you have put the amount, then you tap on this confirm. Then your token will be sent. So this is how you can actually stake, withdraw, and also sell your active token. If you need any other further video, just let me know. Drop it in the comment of this particular video. Remember to like, share, click on the bell notification so that you get notified anytime we upload any other new video. Thank you. Bye bye for now. And don't forget that if you need the cryptocurrency book that teach you on how to start your cryptocurrency journey from beginners into pro, comment crypto 101. I will be sending it to you. Thank you and bye bye for now.